Are you a recent grad? Are you looking to change jobs? Maybe you're getting back into the workforce and need a little inspiration. Well, if that's you and you need a little design tips to polish your resume, then keep watching. Hi, it's Seto from Readability. Let's jump right into this video with a few quick tips on designing your resume. The first thing to think about is style. Do some industry research on your specific field and the styles that are appropriate. For example, legal and professional careers may require less flair, whereas if you're applying for a creative design or a startup type of job, it may require some more boldness. Number two is deciding your length. Deciding on the length is very important. Some cultures may prefer a full life story like a European style CV, which can be several pages long, whereas other cultures or industries may prefer a one-pager. Next are the different sections of your resume or CV. In most resumes or CVs, it will have these basic sections. First is obviously your name. Second is your contact information. Here I suggest not to use a student email address or a current workplace email because once you leave or finish that job or school, you may not have access to that account. Also, within the contact information, you can put a link or QR code to your LinkedIn page, personal landing page, or online portfolio. The third section will be a brief summary of your goal and aspirations. Sometimes this is referred to as the personal statement or executive summary. This is where you'll put your pitch to explain how and why you are a match for the job. The next sections will be on education, work experience, which can also include internships, hard and soft skills. So here you could include your core competencies and also languages. And also you want to include your licenses and certifications. Number four, keywords. The words that you use within your CV or resume should be very specific to the job title or job post description. For example, if they say or use the word financial or the word account in the description, you should use the same word or irrelevant word in your application or resume. You need to make it very obvious and clear the link between the keywords that they use in the description and your resume. Number five, readability. Use clear and uncluttered fonts, text, and wording. Try to use bullet points rather than lengthy paragraphs. Avoid heavy graphics and icons, which can be distracting. Don't stop there. Not only can you design your resume within the graphic maker on RenderForest, but you also can use the presentation slides for a pitch, the website builder to showcase your portfolio online, and we also have templates for CVs and resumes, portfolios, and individual services like fitness instructors, artists, and consultants. Simplify your life by using RenderForest, the all-in-one branding platform. One affordable subscription gives you access to 5 professional design tools. Click the link in the description for a limited time discount. If you learned something from this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and ring that bell for more creative and branding tool tutorials. Also, down there you'll find links to related templates and our blog article for further reading if you enjoyed this topic. Thanks, and I'll see you next week.